Welcome back. In this session, we will use Power Query to combine data from two sheets into a single table. This is a common and essential task in Power BI when you're gonna work with multi-data set. So I prepared this Excel as an sample. Have like two sheets. The first sheet, branch A, have like all the revenue across the year, and it's categorized per month starting from January till December, and same for branch B. So first step here, I have to convert this one into a table. So I'm gonna click on Control T. This is an option which is gonna create a table, and my table already has a header. Yes, I'm gonna click in OK. After that, we can find here the table design. We can give it a name like branch A. Even you can choose a design if you want. The other one, we will go to the second one and click on Control T, and I'm gonna click on OK. Go again to table design, and I will rename to be branch B, and let me have a design for this one. So here we already created two tables with different name. I have to go and update the name, branch A. What's the point? The syntax of this name is not correct. Verify start with a letter or underscore. Okay, we shouldn't provide a space into the name. That's why. So you're gonna say branch A directly. And for the second one, we cannot have space here, so it will be branch B directly. Awesome. The second step, I will move to Power BI. Let me have a new project here. So I will go and have a new one. And I will start by go and import data from Excel, or we can use Excel workbook directly from here. I will go to my computer, and here is it, our file. I'm gonna open this one. Then I will go to Excel workbook, and here is our file. It will load, and on the left you can find the name of the worksheet. We have branch A and branch B, as you can see this one, but this time I will go to transform data, which it will load for me the Power Query editor. The idea of Power Query editor, it have a lot of tools. We will master it together. We will have a lot of work here, but let's start our very first lesson with the Power Query. It's like allow you to efficiently merge or append data from multi sources. So here we have multi-source. We have branch A and branch B, and we would like to merge the two table. And to do something like this, we want to have here extra column. That extra column will specify this data is related to branch A or branch B. That's why we're gonna use here a very famous tool, add column. From there, we can find it the third header here. And from add column, we're gonna choose the second option here, custom column. If you're gonna click on this one, there will be a pop-up for us, and here I'm gonna click the name of the branch A, and then I'm gonna click OK. What it will happen here, as you can see, it created for me a new column. This column have branch A for all the data over there. I'm gonna do the same again with branch B. So again, from add column, custom column. Here, make sure to put your text between double quotation, because it's just like a text. And here I'm gonna choose branch B. And after that, one more point here to verify that we are working with the default or the correct data type. It should be text. So I will choose here text. And again with branch A, I'm gonna click here on the ABC123. I'm gonna choose the text. And now we have to go and append the two tables together, the first table with the second table. So I will go again to the home tab, and from here we have something called it combine section. From combine section, we will choose the second option, append query. Here we have a small arrow. Click on this one and choose the second one, append query as new, which it will pop up for us a small window. From here we can append the two table. Here we have to choose the first table, in our case gonna be branch A, and I will specify the second table, which it will be branch B. After that, we're gonna click on OK, and look at this. It created for us a new table. This table have the first one till December here, which is represent branch A. As you can see, all the data here till the December, and branch B till the end. But here he name it append 1. We can double click and give it a new name. We can call it sales data, for example. Let's here have one last trick in this lesson. As you can see, we have the data already inside sales data, but it's already there in branch A and branch B. And we don't want the branch A and branch B to move with us to the data model. To do something like this, we're gonna right click on branch A and uncheck enable load. And as you can see right now, the text become like different font style. Even if I'm gonna click on this one and remove enable load, as you can see, it's already out of enable to load to my data model. And that's very important, because all I want to move with me to the data model is just the sales data. After that, the last step here, we have to go to close and apply and click on this small arrow and choose close and apply, which it will take us again to the report view with only sales data table. So that's how you're gonna combine multi-sheets into one table using Power Query. In the next session, we will explore more about this Power Query. See you there.